back to Big Boy Tactical. This is gonna be a multiple part video. We're starting here today. We're building this AK platform AR pistol. It's a 762x39. The lower, it's a FMK lower. It's a strip lower. We have I think it's an 10-inch barrel for the 762 for the side target handle. We got the 8-inch handguard. We got the non-collapsible shark fin stock. We got a A2 hand grip that's gonna get filed down and painted. This, along with this, will be painted in brown to match the color scheme of the AK-47. Here's the AK magazine for 762x39. Here's the buffer, the spring, the trigger. The trigger is a Palmetto State trigger. It's an aluminum trigger, lightweight, and the rest of the small parts are here. So we'll see you later with an update. Welcome back. Here we are with an update. Here's the magazine with the primer, the buttstock, and the rail guard, along with the pistol grip. Next step will be the brown coating, and we'll give an update. We'll show you how it's coming along with the brown coating after it goes into the oven. So here we are. This is the last part of the putting together the AR762x39 pistol. Here's the magazine. Here's the final product. I'm still waiting on the magazine release. As you can see here, waiting on the magazine release on both ends. Here's the AR with the paint job, and this is what this AR pistol will look like. Thank you for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.